Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? If this is your first time here, my name is Shellamar Williams. On this channel, I do product review, wear tests, some vlogs, and also tutorial. If these are videos that you are interested in, make sure you subscribe, keep watching. Let's move right into today's video. So in today's video, I'll be doing a review and a wear test on a new foundation, which I will call my fall foundation. And you guys already know during the fall, summer month, you need to change your foundation. So what I did for my foundation for the fall, I actually went up. When I said went up, I actually went up to an high-end foundation, not so much expensive, but not like the Tom Ford. It's actually the Dior. And this is the Dior Forever Matte. Love this foundation. I've always gone and get samples of this foundation alongside with the Tom Ford, and already knew when fall came what foundation that I was about to try or add to my arsenal. And I love this. Now I'm going to put on my foundation, complete my face as I normally do. Then I'll check back in around 4 to 6 hours after, just to give you guys an update of what the foundation is looking like. And then I'll come back and wrap up the video. So let's get on. Also, I did pick up the concealer, and I got the concealer in the N5N, and I love the concealer. Nothing too bright, but just really refreshing the face. And again, I cannot say much about this line. So let's get into the foundation.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that
final look. When it gets into the colder month, I like to do a more warm, subtle, bronzy look. So this is the finished look. I took less than 30 minutes. I am actually shocked. But that's what it looks like. Ain't it beautiful? And there's a new setting powder out by Givenchy. Listen, I'm going to leave the picture right here. You must add that setting powder in your arsenal. It's a game changer. And if you could see, you can go in and also use a lighter setting powder right under the eyes if you wanted to pop. But this is a look that I'm going for. I'm loving the bronzy look during the colder month. So that's what it looks like, guys. I'll check back in within 6 hours to let you guys know what my face is looking like.
6 hours later.
All right, guys, so this is the final look. It's actually now 6 hours since I've done this makeup. Let me come on close. Look at that finished. So you get a little bit of shyness. I did use a primer, the Milk Hydro Grip, but look at it. I think this is the best foundation I've ever worn apart from the Lancome. Guys, and this is the Dior Forever Matte. I love it. Look at the finish. And of course, you guys already know that I do a good skincare. Right, guys, so I have Dana, my sister, here with me. Dana, I have on the Dior Forever Matte foundation. How do you think my face is looking in this one?
I think it looks absolutely amazing.
I think it looks absolutely amazing.
Yes, ma'am.
This has been 6 hours since we have done this look. Do you think it looks matte and everything?
I do.
Okay.
You need to teach me how to do it.
No problem. Stay tuned. I'm going to pick you guys back up within the next 2 hours to show you guys what the foundation looked like. And we'll wrap the video up there. I give you my final thoughts on this foundation. Thank you, guys. See you within 2 hours. All right, guys, welcome back. This is my final review and what I think about this foundation. So I did my foundation initially this morning around 7 a.m. Eastern time, and it's now 5:30 p.m. 5 p.m., 5:11 to be exact, Eastern time, and this is what my face is looking like. So I still love it. I cannot say anything different, and I'm looking at a mirror here in case you see me look in this direction. Sort of oily in some areas, but it's a healthy oiliness, if that makes sense. It is greasy around these areas, but look at it. Again, with this foundation, you are getting SPF 15, which is a sunblock. So that's really good that you don't have to worry about that. Also, it is transfer proof and long wearing. It's actually a 24-hour, but I can see me wearing this foundation again for another maybe 3 hours, 4 hours without it even moving. And if you're looking for a foundation to add to your arsenal for the colder month, I would definitely suggest to get this foundation. Go in and get some samples prior to buying it and see how you like it. Get more than one shade. So get the shade that they say you are. And then there's a powder that I want you guys to try. I will leave the picture here, as I said in the video. It's from Givenchy and it's a setting powder. It has 4 different colors. And what happens when you put them together, they come into one. Beautiful, beautiful. You cannot go wrong. I actually have it on and my eyes did not shift. I have no creasing because it's actually have a creasing particle in it to stop that completely. And the concealer has that. So look under my eyes. Looking still wonderful. Do you see that? So this is my final review. Leave a comment below and let me know if you guys did go out and get some samples or purchase this foundation, already using it and loving it. Let me know. See you guys on my very next video. Make sure you subscribe and share these videos. See you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.